The 2011 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power lift gate, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, moonroof, Bluetooth, HomeLink garage door opener, air conditioning, front. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.